Ahoy, hoy. Ready to go to GCX? Board ready. Yeah. Welcome to your worst nightmare. Oh, happy place. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh, that was
I thought this was going to be bigger.
A little bit.
a roof tile.
On top.
Phone that's running it.
And the next person can do a fake. Okay, you want to start?
How flammable is this game?
Extremely.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Getting crazy. Oh, gotta move the rhino here. Here we go, right here.
All right, here it goes. Henken, you're playing against a seasoned professional.
That's what they say.
So there's a mulligan system, kind of? Oh, okie dokie. Gotta get that feather touch going, Henken.
This and this.
Uh,
Hard to explain this what we do. There are like other rules because there's a big section.
Still there. Still there.
How much has to crash before someone loses?
The full thing.
Oh, okay.
I get enough where it's not fixed.
But yeah, just starting out.
That's you. Ooh, that's a spicy meatball.
I don't think it's gonna like the rhino on the
Trying
next
to
one.
like. back-
Oh,
Wait, we're trying to.
oh, raffle pound.
Like,
And he remains undefeated, probably. Yeah,
In
okay.
Castleberry, Florida?
Yeah. All right, very good. All right, well, here we are at GCX in Orlando. It took some time getting into this place. Yeah, it's kind of tucked away back in the back of the resort. But yeah, it's nice to be at GCX for the first time. As you can see, there's a decent number of people here in the gaming halls, mostly playing Magic and some other tabletop games. They've got a few, vendors. Henken just played a card game about gorillas or something like that. What was that game called?
It's the Red Dead Redemption. We build a house together
Oh, okay.
and we move a rhino.
Oh,
It was a high-rise zoo apartment.
so we're not moving in together, is it?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. All right.
Our house is full of.
Yeah, that's true. I was thinking about the house you just built for us.
We need to go back to carpentry school.
Excellent. So you're going to spin the wheel?
Yeah, I'm gonna spin the wheel.
All righty, let's do it.
Baby, Tamara loves you. Oh my God, what are you, a model? Thank you. Oh, that's a good one too. Yeah, here. Thanks, Alex. Thanks, dude. Oh, we got area.
Use tongue. Oh, I mean, never mind. He's doing a reach around.
Boom. Rain Halucha.
No whammies, no whammies. Uh-oh, here we go.
Stop, dance off, let's go. Oh.
Wait a minute. Is that our last one? Yeah, I think so. It is our last one.
There it is.
That's a big one.
Hey, there it is. Big winner.
Got some weight on it.
All right, we're gonna have to take that out for you.
Yeah, you could do nude yoga on it. Yeah, it looks like Henken's feeling a little horny. Yeah, exactly. Henken's getting arrested today. Henken, who is this?
Baby.
Oh, hello. Wait, I'm Captain Richard. I think I've rated you a few times. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't recognize you.
Everyone looks a little different for a second.
montage reel here. Hello, what's your name, sir?
Benjamin ID.
All right. And then there's Henken. Hello, yeah, handshakes all around.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
There it is. And who do we have here once more?
Nova Dragon of the Smoking Dragons.
Holy moly, the Smoking Dragons.
All I want for Thankmas is you.
Alrighty, that's it for GCX officially. So it's been pretty fun. We kind of missed a little bit of it because we didn't know there were multiple rooms, but we did get to see it, meet a lot of people, grab some souvenirs, and it was very, very fun. So hopefully we'll be back next year. Now it's time to go to Universal Studios and have some real fun. Yeah. There we go. Nice day, Universal Studios. Not getting the afternoon storms we usually get in Florida this time of year, but it's looking pretty good. About to get into the park. Let's do this. Ah, yes. Let the adventure begin. I just want to get my phone away. Spider-Man ride. Hello, I'm Peter Spiderman. Bring me more pictures of Spider-Man. Have fun, everybody.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger. Over. Is this thing on?
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. How big are your loads? Here it comes. Just a little squishy.
Hey, just a little bit. Thank God for waterproof phones.
Yep.
I can only describe this as like you jump into a pool.
Yeah, pretty much. That's what I figured. There we go. Big enough for two. I can feel the warmth. The layer of Kong.
Blessed be the maker in his water.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just Florida on a Thursday, you know.
Me and my big mouth. Hey, this is Team 1.
Or something that looks really professional. Oh my god, that's so cute. I love it. Very good. Aw, it's so sick. Blue, why are you doing that? Like, sorry, do you have food in there? In your bag? Okay, she is trying to get it, all right? Yeah, I really don't want her to pull you backwards, so if you could just tell her to stop, that'd be really good. Just, okay, all right, easy.
Hogwarts. Hog balls. Take a picture, it'll last longer. Oh, you did. There it is. The 3 broomsticks.
Going this way. Wet, no, we went on a wet ride. Oh,
Hello.
Don't crunch.
She's soggy. Hi, I'm Richard.
I'm Catarella.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
You guys also have butterbeer in here?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, perfect.
We have 3 types: frozen, cold, and hot.
Really hot. Never had it that way.
One of my favorites.
What the heck?
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, so here we have famous Harry Potter World Butterbeer. Yeah, non-alcoholic, unless you spike it or something. But yeah, they got 2 kinds.
Magic.
They got the frozen. Wait, is that regular beer? Or is that
That's regular beer.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I was like, that's dark for the butterbeer. I have had it before, but oh yeah, of course it's fine. Comes after people.
It looks more like menacing than the Necronomicon.
Yeah. All right. So once again, GCX participants. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Get to see Hogsmeade after hours, and it really looks awesome.
All right, ready for a ride. All right, ready? Let's go. Ready? Here's the baby purr. Let's go. All right, Henke, what'd you think of that one? It was amazing. Let's go again. Finally, got to be on this. We got the front first time. First time on the front. I've been on the side so many times. Finally got the front. There we go. Finally got to sit in the front. After so many attempts on this ride to sit in the front, we finally got to, and it's awesome. It is awesome, awesome, awesome.
That's your best ride.
How'd you enjoy today, GCX 2025?
We love it.
Awesome. What was your favorite part of the day?
I love ride. I love getting to meet creators while waiting in line for rides.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. A little shot of Universal Studios Islands of Adventure late at night.
All right, that's it for Islands of Adventure. Awesome. All right, this is it, Henken. We are officially leaving Universal Studios. That's the end of our GCX adventures. Yeah, we'll have to come back next time, Universal Orlando. That's right. Getting some White Castle. This place is up until 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, Henken, so what do we got here at White Castle?
We got my energy, the source of my power.
How many sliders is that?
Plenty.
What did you get?
We got 10 jalapeno cheddar, 10 American.
Dig in, buddy.
I'm gonna start.
Little guys, huh?